I was running short of time on the last video that I posted, so I'm just going to go over real briefly the code for the mapping portion of the app. So this code is going to be what's included in the web view itself, and it's going to be stored locally in the assets folder. So the first thing that we're going to do is just define a structure for our page. That's simply going to be a single div in our body that's going to hold this Google map here. And then we have to include the Google Maps JavaScript library, and that's what we're doing up here. And Google Maps is then going to call this initialize function. And the first thing that we're going to do in it is we're going to try and find our center point, and we're going to call out to the parent application right now using cross-process communication. So I'm going to call one of the Android apps methods called get location, and I'm going to parse the result, and I'm going to pass that off to Google Maps to use that as our center point here. So using that center point, I'm just going to pass it into this maps property object, set zoom to 10, and tell it to use road mapping. And then I'm going to get the maps object from Google Maps. And then I need to get the trains from the SEPTA web service using this train view endpoint. So that's going to be done in this HTTP kit method, which is just going to do a simple HTTP request down here. Then we're going to parse the results of that, pass it into this trains object, which is going to be a JSON array. Just simply loop over that. Then we're going to create a marker for each of the results. So we're going to get the latitude and longitude for each one, create a maps lat long object, and use this train.png as our marker, and then set that marker to use the maps object that we just created. And that should be about it. Thank you for watching.